that.
Standard 10, page number 192, example number 30, textbook, illustrations, example number 30. 12 was yesterday we have done it, so I will take today 30. Sec A minus sec into bracket 1 minus sin A plus sec A plus tan A is equal to 1. Prove that. You have to prove that. So left hand side sec A 1 minus sin A into bracket sec A plus tan A is equal to, I will convert into the SC. SC means cos theta sin theta form. Okay. Sec A ના અંદર આપણે cos S માં SC માં શું આવશે 1 upon cos A. 1 upon cos A. 1 plus sin A as it is. Cos A is equal to 1 upon cos A minus sin A upon cos A. Tangent of A is equal to sin A upon cos A. Keep in mind. Is equal to 1 upon cos A. 1 minus sin A. Cos A is your LCM. 1 minus sin A is equal to 1 minus sin A whole square upon cos square A. 1 minus sin A is equal to, here plus is there, that one plus, so plus plus, so here 1 minus sin square A upon cos square A. 1 minus sin square A is equal to what? Cos square A. Cos square A upon cos square A is equal to 1 is equal to right hand side, is equal to right hand side. Now example number 15, example number 14, 13, 14. Prove that cot A minus cos A upon cot A plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A plus 1. Okay, આને ફરીથી એક વખત સમજાવી દઉં. sec A 1 minus sin A, sec A tan A. What we will do? Convert this one into SC form. એટલે કે sin theta અને cos theta બે જ આવશે. sec નું 1 upon cos A 1 minus s sin A as it is. sec A 1 upon cos sin A upon cos A, cos 1 LCM cos A 1 plus sin A upon cos A. These two multiplied A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square ની ફોર્મ્યુલા લગાવી. 1 minus sin square A, cos A into cos A, cos square A. 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. Yesterday we have seen it. Cos square A upon cos square A is equal to 1 is equal to right hand side. 14. Cot A minus cos upon A, cot A 1 plus cos. Cosec A minus cos A, you have to prove it. So convert them, left hand side, convert them into SC form. Cos A upon sin A minus cos A upon 1 upon cos A upon sin A plus cos A upon 1. Cos A common. Cos A 1 upon sin A minus 1. Cos A common 1 upon sin A plus 1. Cos A cancel. 1 upon sin A is equal to what? Cosec A minus 1 cosec A plus 1. Okay. It can be done by other ways also. Okay, cosec sin LCM ले लो cosec cosec sin common काढो. You can do it, but a few steps will be more. थोड़ा steps वधी जाए. Okay. Now exercise number 8.4. Exercise number 8.4. Yes, I skip it the example number 15. Exercise number 8.4. I skip the example number 15. We will see after getting some practice. थोड़ी practice થઈ જાય પછી એ 15 sums કરશું. Then easy to understand. 8.4 example number 1. Express the trigonometry ratio sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. Cot A ના ફોર્મમાં તમારે sin, sec અને tan A. That means sin A is equal to in form of cot A. You have to take it. Sin A is equal to 1 upon cosec A. 1 upon cosec A is equal to 1 plus cot square into the square root. You know that. આનંદર આપણે કઈ ફોર્મ્યુલા વાપરી? કે ભઈ 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Yesterday we have seen it. Formula number students so triplets में बनावी. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Then I change this. Sec A is equal to square root of 1 plus cot square A. Okay, that I have taken here. 1 plus cot square A. Sec square, sec A. Sec A, 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Taking the square root both the sides. So we will get it. 1 plus tan square I have written here. Okay, 1 tan square A is equal to 1 upon cot square A because we are going to cot A. Okay, 1 cot square, cot common, LCM cot square A plus 1 upon cot square A. Therefore sec A is equal to square root of cot square A plus 1. Cot square A is square root cot A. Write it tan A in terms of cot A. Cot A ના terms માં આપણે બતાવવાનું છે, right? And third one tan A. Tan A simple 1 upon cot A. Clear? એટલે આપણે કઈ બે ફોર્મ્યુલા વાપરી અહીંયા? 1 plus cosec square is equal to cot square A. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square A. Repeat these sums 2 or 3 times yourself. જોયા વગર પાછું કરો then you will get it. પછી તમને આવડી જશે, સહેલું કરી જશે. Okay, write the all trigonometry ratio of A in terms of sec A. Sec A ના ફોર્મમાં લખવું છે. That means sin A is equal to dash sec A. Okay, so first of all I have taken tan square A. Tan square tan A is equal to sec square minus 1 as a formula, or 1 plus tan square is equal to tan A. Like this way, 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Therefore tan square A is equal to sec square A minus 1. Tan A, taking the square root, sec square A minus 1. Get it? I have write as a formula here directly. Okay. Now second, cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. Tan A is equal to what? Sec square minus 1. Third one, cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus 1 upon sec square A minus 1. Cot square A is equal to cot square is equal to 1 upon sec square minus 1. I have taken this one. Sec square A minus 1 LCM. Sec square A minus 1 plus 1. Sec square A minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Sec square A upon sec square A minus 1. Get it? Fourth one, that is very easy. cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A. Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A is equal to 1 minus 1 upon cos square A is equal to 1 upon sec square. Sec square A LCM. Sec square A minus 1 upon sec square. Sin A is equal to sec square A minus 1 upon sec square. Example number 3. Now example number 3. Evaluate sin square 63 sin square 27 upon cos square 70 plus cos square 73. Either you change it. Okay. Sin square is there. So I will cos sin square theta is equal to cos square 90 minus theta. So I will take it cos square 90 minus 63 plus sin square 27. Here cos square 70. So I will take it sin square 19 minus 70 plus cos square 73 is equal to cos square 90 minus 60. Let cos square 90 minus 63 get 27 plus sin square 27. Sin square 27. Now sin square 90 minus 73. That means sin square 73 plus cos square 73. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Got it? Example number second. Sin 25 cos 65. Sin 25 cos 65 plus cos 25 sin 65. Okay. Convert this one into that form. Sin 25 into cos nu sin 90 minus 65 plus cos of 25 into cos of 90 minus 65. Sin 25 cos 25 sin square 25 plus cos square 25 sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Repeat. Sin 25 cos 65 cos 25 65. Sin, I will convert this one. Sin, I know that sin square theta plus cos square theta. So I will got this converted into the sin theta. And here cos, this I will convert it into the cos square theta. Sin 65 is equal to 20. Cos 25 cos 65 cos 25 sin square 25 plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Got it?